Today I'm going to show you how to make a web page using Adobe Spark. In order to do this, you need to be logged in using your school ID on a Chrome browser. Okay, we're going to click, if you've never done this before, we're going to click Sign In. And you want to choose that you are logging in with a school account. We're going to choose our Google option down here. And it will open directly to the Adobe Spark page. In Spark, you can create 3 different things. We can create graphics, web pages, and videos. Today, we want to create a web page. So we're going to click on the web page option. And it starts from the very beginning. The first project that we are going to start with is called All About Me. Your subtitle should be your first and last name. This is your cover page, just like you would have a cover page in most of your social medias. So we can click on the plus, and we're going to choose photo for our background photo. I would prefer that you find a photo that represents you, your personality, or even a photo of you. The nice thing about Adobe Spark is they've partnered with a bunch of websites that provide free photos. And so we're going to click on Find Free Photos. These are all copyright free, so you don't have to worry about getting in trouble. And I'm going to type creativity. I want to find something that's unique and creative. Okay, I like this image right here. And so when I click on it, it is going to insert that image as my cover page. Next, I scroll down, and I have the choice to add more photos, text, a button, video, photo grid, slideshow, or split layout. Usually I start with some text, and I'm going to give a paragraph about my biography. So I would say, like, I was born in Okay, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to insert a little bio about myself, and maybe I want to show where I went to college, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to photo. If I search for a free photo, I doubt that there's one for the college that I went to. But they did find some pictures of some different things that were Texas symbolism. So I can go back and I can choose to go back here to find free photos. I could go on to the internet and search for a picture of Tarleton and then save it to my computer and upload it. I'm not going to take the time to do that right now. The next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to insert another photo, and this time I'm going to search for pizza. In my presentation, I may say that pizza is one of my favorite foods, so I'm going to scroll through here and I'm going to find an image of pizza that I like to use. This one looks kind of pretty. It's lots of colors. And so we don't want to just put a picture without explaining why the picture is there. So once I click down here, it'll allow me to get to that caption. And so I may say, one of my favorite foods is pizza. Okay. Next, I might talk about hobbies that I like. So I'm going to click here, and I want to make kind of a grid of different hobbies that I have. So I'm going to click on Photo Grid, and the first thing I'm going to type in is baseball. I enjoy watching baseball. So I'm going to include this picture. And then I also like photography. So I may include this picture. And then if I like to go shopping, I'm going to include this picture. Once you get your grid set up with however many pictures you want, you have to save the grid. If you don't like this picture being the largest one, you can click on it and choose to rearrange the order. I like how this grid is set up, so I'm going to click Save. And now my grid shows up. And again, I want to put a caption about what's going on. So I would say my favorite hobbies include, and then I would talk about the pictures that I've got there. So as we go on, if you want to include a button, that's kind of like a web page button. So then I would say favorite movie. Okay, and while I've got this up, I'm going to go to YouTube. And I might find a clip from the movie that I like. So here's a clip of from the movie that I like. So I'm going to open it up. Here. Stop the video real quick. I'm going to hit share. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to go over here to my Spark thing, and I'm going to insert that link there, and I can hit save. Now, as my viewers are looking at my webpage, they're going to see that they can click on this link, and it will take them directly to the movie that I like. Another thing that you can do is if you want to share the video directly embedded into the web page, I can click video, and I can embed the video. So I'm going to do that real quick so you guys can see what that looks like. And so as people are watching my web page, when they scroll down, they will automatically see the video, and it will play in my my project. Another fun one that kids like to do is a glide show. It's simply kind of a moving collage. And then the split layout is similar to an old school PowerPoint where you have a photo on one side, whoops, and text on the other. Anyway, when you get through with your project, you have to publish your project. First thing I want to do is I'm going to hit preview. And it's going to show me a preview of what the web page is going to look like. It will also credit the images and the sources that I used in the file. So this is what my web page would appear to be. I like it, looks good. So I'm going to click on share. And I have to publish and share the link. To do that, do not hit invite. Do not invite me to your presentation. Publish and share. You're going to have a title here. I might say all about me and then put a hyphen with my name there. Our category will always be education. And we're going to click on create link. Now when I get my create link, this is what I would copy and paste, and I could put it into Google Classroom. There are options down here for you to insert it into Google Classroom, but sometimes those don't always work. If you go back and make changes to your presentation, you'll have to come back to this page and there will be an update link. If you don't update the link and reshare it, then whatever you send to me will be the original copy. This is also like a Google document. It will save to the cloud, so you don't have to worry about automatically saving it. You just have to make sure that you're logged in.